Everyone, hello. It has been about a year and a half since I've had this beautiful Honda Accord right here. And I've always had this beeping. That beeping. And I could never figure out what it was. I thought maybe there'd be a little speaker somewhere under the dash that I could just clip some wires and we'll be good. Right? But that's not the case. I found it. Right under your passenger seat. You're gonna see this cover over here. I just figured this out right now. See this cover? The 10 millimeter. All you have to do is push your seat as back as you can. Fit something in there to get it out. Here it goes. Here is this box that makes this noise. Now we'll be able to see it much better. I believe this screen already, so let's try it out. No light on my dash. This one's on. This one is, these are on right here. Yes. After a year and a half. Let's try to put that again. Leaving this unplugged forever now. Success! Look at this. It used to beep all the time and it used to blink all the time right here. And it just would not stop. No matter if I put on my seatbelt or the passenger seatbelt. Sometimes I would have to drive around my door slightly open to the point where my seatbelt goes this way. Just because it was just making that noise over and over and over and over. Well, now we're good. Now we don't have that issue. Okay, well, now the only issue I have is this won't come back. I'm gonna plug it in really quick, make sure this comes back, and then I'm gonna unplug it once it is up there. And just as intended, this time it was over here. Now I gotta move it over here. But since it's unplugged from down there, now this is not going to move down the rail up and down anymore, which is fine because even though it looked cool, it's fine. It's okay if it doesn't do that. The other one doesn't do that at all. All right, so whatever, it doesn't matter. I found a better way to do it. Instead of grabbing a 10 millimeter and doing all that I did under the seat from the front, you just push the seat all the way forward. And you have the switches right there. You're good. Push it back. Now we're on the way to go get some Chick-fil-A on Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Chrysler.